Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can upload image on Roblox. It's pretty simple. So you need to go to this website called create.roblox.com. So make sure you type whatever I have typed over here, create.roblox.com. Once you search for it, you want to press enter and it's going to take you to this website. Now in this page, it's going to ask you to log in into your account, but if you guys have already logged in into your account, it's going to straight up bring you over here, just like in my case. Click on where it says dashboard, and from dashboard it's going to take you over here. Over here you can see development items, click on it. From over here, click on where it says decals. Once you click on decals, you want to choose upload assets. Now over here you can see this option called upload, click on it. Now from over here, from your PC, you can choose any image you want to upload. So I just want to upload this random image, but you can choose whichever image you want. And you can name this image whatever you want. So I'm just going to name it random image, but you can name it whatever you want. And in description, you can write anything. So I will write, hey, it's a pic. But you can write any description, as I said before, it doesn't matter. Just make sure it's within 1000 characters. And click on upload, and your image will be uploaded on Roblox just like that. That's how simple it is to upload an image on Roblox. So mine is loading a bit due to slow Wi-Fi, but after it's done, it should be uploaded just like this. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos related with Roblox just like this. I'll see you guys next time.